So xTooL had some pretty good deals running through Christmas, and I've wanted this xTooL F2 Ultra UV ever since I saw it. So we picked it up, and it came in a little late because we had to pre-order a few days after Christmas. But it's here now, and I need to get it out of the box. I won't put you through the pain of watching me cut the box open and dig everything out. But I will get it laid out and we'll take a look and see what it comes with. Okay, I got everything out of the box and I've got it in frame as best I can. Of course, I could have left my face off because I recently got a comment from a viewer that said they did not need to see my self-serving face on every video. There's the comment. I handled it the nice way because that's just me. There's no point in being mean. Some people are just I don't know. Some people just have to say stuff, so it's okay. So, it's a real pretty laser. It is real pretty, and I'm not going to act like I know a lot about it because I don't at this point in time. I'll learn, and I hope you'll come back and check out the videos and we can learn together. So, it comes with a surface engraving lens. It's got a quick release on it, so you can change it out with a subsurface lens. And this is the subsurface pack it came with. I've got more stuff down here. I'll shift the camera a little bit. It's an inner engraving pack. So you get the lens, and then you get a pedestal. I had to put this together. They gave me a screwdriver to do it with, Allen wrench. It's got a 70 by 70 area that you can set your crystals on. Here's a crystal that came with it that I'll be destroying later. And if you want to know when you're buying crystals if they're pure enough to engrave, take a bright light and shine through it. If the light goes all the way through, then it's a good crystal. If not, if it clouds up, it's a bad crystal. And wherever you bought those from, you probably don't want to buy them no more. But you can lock this in place with the thumb screws. And then there's a couple of extra thumb screws to tie this to the bed when you set it in there. We've got some calibration cards that came in the pack. And now I'll just shift the camera down to this other pile of stuff. And we'll see what the rest of it is. Okay, the face is still here. Alright, so for the rest of the stuff that came in the box, we get a bracket to square things up in the laser bed. We get a cut plate to keep us from destroying the laser bed. Got another Allen wrench here. It's a little larger than the first one because here there was a plate to hold all this inside. xTooL does a great job of packing. A great job. We've got the touchscreen pad, just like with the F1, just a different color. And I'll be able to load xTooL Studio projects onto a thumb drive and just bring them over and plug them in the side and then run them with this. We get a USB cable to connect it to the computer when we do. Power supply. Exhaust hose. And I've already got an exhaust running out, so it'll connect into the original exhaust system I got set up. We've got a material pack with a crystal in it and some anodized aluminum. Looks like some more calibration cards and a piece of wood. But I've got quite a bit left over from material packs from the past. I never completely went through the whole material pack, so I'll use some of that when I need to. I do have the conveyor, and I have the RA3 rotary to try on here. So we'll be doing a lot of stuff, folks, so please come back, check it out. And if you've got one and you have some tips for me, please give them because it'll help me out. I'm always trying to learn, and it'll help viewers out as they come across them. So I appreciate you taking time to watch, and I would appreciate it if you'd come back as often as you can. Y'all take care. and we'll see you next time. Thank you.